Dear children, now let us learn about the second lesson, acids and bases. Already we learned many materials in our daily life, and not only that, we have tasted different kinds of food items, so on. So now let me ask some question. What sort of food do we eat? All the food items whatever we are eating, are they taste alike? All the food items taste the same or different? Taste, not only the taste in color, order, whatever it is it same or different? So, if it is different, in what way they are different? What kind of a taste the food substance we have? In this lesson, let us discuss about different kinds of taste. Like now, let us discuss some of the taste of some of the substances. The first one, what I want to discuss is about the sweet. Sweet. Here, sweet means sugar. Example for sweet is sugar. Sugar is sweet in taste. And then I am going to write another example. Mango. Next is bitter. Bitter is a bitter gourd. I am going to write example as bitter gourd. Neem. Another one is sour. Here, sour means lemon. Another example is tamarind. Next is salty. Salty is a common salt. Is salty, common salt. Common salt. Seawater. Seawater is salty in taste. Seawater is salty in taste. And at last is spicy. Spicy. So examples for spicy is red chilli, green chilli. These are some of the taste just now what we discussed. Do you find any other taste in between raw and dry fruit? Or do you find any change in the cooked food? So like this we find some different types of taste of different kinds of taste. So add sugar to lemon juice. What change do you notice in the taste? When you add sugar to the lemon juice, what taste do you notice in that? So how do you feel? Is there any difference in the taste without sugar? So when you take a lemon juice, before adding the sugar, do you find any difference after adding the sugar? Okay, let me say once again. So now to find the difference between the taste, I am going to say here. First you have to take a glass of water and add some of the lemon juice in that. Squeeze the lemon, it becomes a lemon juice. So after becoming lemon juice, just taste it. And after the little you taste it and then add sugar into it, mix it thoroughly. So do you see any difference before adding the sugar and after adding the sugar? There is a difference in the taste. So do some substances change color when added to another substances? For example, if some substances, do they change the color when added to other substances? Have you ever observed any change when any substance added to another substance? For this, let us do one of the activity here. So to do this activity, first you have to take a paper, apply turmeric paste on it. You have to apply turmeric paste. This is a paper. I have taken a white paper and I already applied a turmeric paste on this. Make a turmeric paste and apply it on the paper. After applying, make it to dry. After drying the paper, for this collect soap water. After taking the soap water, just to do the drawing like this. I already have done the drawing here. So when you do the drawing, what happens here? It changes its color. It changes its color from yellow to red. Here you can see the changes here. Change of the color from yellow to red. So here shows some of the changes in the turmeric paper. Here, what change do we observe here? Here we can see that turmeric paper, it changes its color when compared with soap water. The reaction takes place. So when soap water is put on the turmeric paper, it changes its color in red color. It changes into red spot. You can see here. Here this turmeric, it acts as an indicator. It acts as an indicator means it is one of the natural indicator. Just now what we did, we prepared one of the natural indicator, it is turmeric. Like this we can prepare some other natural indicators. Some other natural indicators like petals of hibiscus, mango leaf. With mango leaf also we can make a natural indicator. Not only that, even with beetroot also we can prepare a natural indicator. So like this we can prepare some of the natural indicators like petals of hibiscus, mango leaf and beetroot. We can prepare some of the natural